Welcome to 41 acres on Bear Creek Road in Waverly, Tennessee. Your chance to own a private wooded retreat just minutes from town and only a short drive to the Tennessee River. This beautiful tract is covered in hardwoods and offering a peaceful, secluded setting. There's a private building site tucked away in the timber, perfect for a quiet homestead, for a weekend getaway, or an off-the-grid escape. With electric and high-speed fiber internet available at the gravel road, you'll have the convenience you need while still enjoying privacy. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the abundant wildlife. This area is known for its strong population of whitetail deer and turkey. The natural cover and varied terrain make it ideal for hunting and recreation. Located in Waverly, Tennessee, you're close to the small town amenities while still enjoying the beauty and quiet of Humphreys County. And it's centrally positioned between Memphis and Nashville. This property gives you the best of Tennessee living.